Hi everybody, this is Fox Nomad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by taking a look at the Dell Premier backpack. Now this is a backpack that I once said might be the best gadgets backpack for travelers. So I decided I wanted to take another look at it since making that bold statement, and honestly, it's held up very well. Now, if you're like me, you probably have a natural tendency to write off a backpack that's not made by a backpack manufacturer. Typically, backpacks that are made by laptop companies aren't very good, but the Dell Premier backpack is actually the opposite. I mean, look at this interior. It's lined with fleece. It's an excellent electronics backpack, but it's not for everybody. There are 4 major compartments of this backpack, and the middle compartment splits the backpack in 2, which is designed for it to be TSA friendly. Now, chances are you're going to have to take your laptop out of your bag when you go through airport security anyway, but this makes it a lot easier to take it in and out if you have to. It's 32 by 26 by 3 centimeters, which is 15 by 10 by 1 inch, and it weighs about 2.7 pounds, which is about 1.2 kilograms. That's a very slim and light profile for a backpack, especially one with this much carrying capacity. The one thing that I noticed, that I keep noticing, is how well designed this backpack is. Now usually when you buy a backpack, it's the exterior that gets you. Same thing with buying a car, it's usually the outside that gets you, but with a backpack especially, it's the interior that's really more impactful for you when you're traveling. So how well is the interior designed? A lot of manufacturers will throw in pockets, but doesn't feel very well thought out. It feels like the pocket was thrown here, a pocket was thrown there, or a pouch for a cell phone case or whatever, and it just doesn't feel very well thought out. And the Dell Premier backpack clearly has been very well thought out. It's almost like they got an interior designer to design this backpack so that it's extremely efficient. And not only is it efficient, but the quality is just top-notch. The stitching is excellent. It's very tightly stitched together. The materials that they use feel very high quality, and it feels like it's a very durable backpack. I'd love to do a road tested about this backpack in a few years from now to see how well it does hold up after some travel, but it looks like it's just made so well. And it's almost a similar size as the Swiss Gear 1900 backpack, which I use and I've reviewed before, but it has a slimmer profile, and that's because it's just more efficient. It's just better thought out. So the pockets can hold more in a smaller amount of space. It's got this very thin profile. Now the exterior is a little bit thick. That's something that I don't like. I feel like it's a little bit bulky, but that's probably due to the premium quality stitching that they're using and the materials, and I know why they put that exterior on this backpack. That's to prevent it from getting scratched up and to protect your gadgets and your expensive electronics when you travel. So there's a trade-off there. It would have been nice to have something that's a little bit thinner and lighter, but of course you might get less protection. It's still not a major gripe of mine. I still think this backpack is excellent. If you travel with a lot of electronics, this is an ideal backpack. Now, where it falls short is if you're like me, if you travel also with a lot of electronics, but also some clothes you might throw in there, an extra hoodie or a jacket, or you carry a lot of larger electronics like a drone, which is bulky, then the Dell Premier backpack isn't ideal. It's very slim, so it's clearly designed for laptops and tablets and phones and traditional business type electronics. It's not really designed for things that are bulkier like a drone or a DSLR. It can hold them for sure, but it's really just made for laptops, tablets. If you're a business traveler, this is a great backpack to get. The price is excellent, and it should get you through airport security much faster. For everyone else, you're probably better off taking a look and comparing it to the North Face Recon, which is a backpack which I also really like. It's not quite as efficiently designed as this backpack, but has space for bulkier items. So let me know what you think of the Dell Premier backpack in the comments below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.